All right. So regarding this concern here, instead of using a layout, I suggest if we can create a an individual container so that it will not be something. If it goes to the mobile, it will not be transcribed to something like it will just move along. And so I have tried this one here. So if you go to the specific devices, it will stay on the three columns. So this is an individual containers. So if you can see here, there is containers here, and they are not attached to anything. Like it's not like a layout three by three or two by two. So to achieve this one, basically what you need to do is something like just go to the empty blocks and add an empty block. Let me just put it here down here. Okay, so here, and first you need to go add any text or any element to it, to the empty block. And then once you added a element, you need to add a container. You need to make sure that the container is empty. All right, and then you need to put again a heading inside that container so that you can put another container inside of that to the block section. So I have this second container, and I'll put another heading to it. Let me just see if I can add. All right, it's not added. Just go and add this to this one. Right, and then I will add another container. So I will just return the process until I get something like three columns or two columns. And yeah, we can just leave it at that. And then as you can see here, I will go to the text here and I will delete this one. And you can see it will be an empty container. And for this one also. Okay, so it did not saved. Just delete this one. Okay, so let me just save this one and load. Right. So basically, what you need to do is add individual containers, and that will give you a free. Okay, so it did not work. Let me just add another container just above. Okay, so we have now three containers inside of an empty block. So I will just also delete this one. So basically, you have now three containers. And what you need to do, if you go to the container here, which holds the three containers, individual containers, if you set that to horizontal, you can see here that let me just delete this one. You can see it is now horizontally aligned. If you go um, to the device, it will stay on horizontal, and you can just add any element to it, and it will just set as horizontal. So you need to make an individual containers and then put out elements to it, and that's pretty much it. So you can just duplicate this one here, put it here, and put it okay, put it here. So as you can see, it's now containers, three containers, and it will still be set as three containers. So yeah, so just put individual containers to it, and then set the container which holds the containers to horizontal, and that will set us here. And then you can just put out to the containers, set up spacing so it will have spaces inside the elements, and that's it.